Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva designs as SVG files. SVG files, or Scalable Vector Graphics, are incredibly versatile, perfect for designs that need to retain their quality at any size. Whether you're working on a logo, an illustration, or any other vector-based design in Canva, saving your work as an SVG ensures it looks crisp and clear no matter where it's displayed. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, open up your design in Canva. Once you are satisfied with all the elements and you're ready to save, look for the Share button. Clicking on Share reveals a range of options. One of them is Download. Click on this option to proceed. You'll now see different formats to save your design in. By default, you might see something like PDF Standard. Don't worry, just click on the Format drop-down and look for SVG in the list. Here's a quick note. SVG Download is only available to Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version, unfortunately, this option won't appear for you. If you find yourself needing SVG export often, it might be worth considering an upgrade. For Canva Pro users, once you've selected SVG, double-check to ensure it's highlighted. Then, click the final Download button, usually located at the bottom of the menu. Your SVG file will now be saved to your computer and you're all set. Remember, the benefit of SVG files is their ability to scale without losing quality, which makes them perfect for vector art, logos, and anything that needs resizing.